To fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix no sound issue in Mobile Legends on your Android device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, make sure that your silent mode is turned off in your device, and you can use the volume up key in your device in order to increase the volume in your device. If that's not your case, and what you have to do is now you have to open up the Mobile Legends in your device. So once you have opened up, now you have to tap on the settings icon from the top right corner, and under settings tap on sound from the menu bar on your left hand side. So you land on the sound tab. Here make sure you have turned on this main volume. If it is turned off, simply tap on and it will get turned on. Now you can adjust your music volume, sound effect volume, hero voice volume and system notification volume with the help of this slide bar right here. Once you have done that, now you can go back and check the sound in your Mobile Legend application. If that still does not help you, then what you can do is you have to close the Mobile Legends in your device. Then open up settings in your device. Tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon from the top right corner and here search for Mobile Legends. Once you're here, scroll down a bit and tap on storage and cache. Here, tap on clear cache. Once you have done that, now you can close your settings and then you can go back to Mobile Legends and your problem will get solved. So these are all the way to try out if you're not able to fix sound issue in your Mobile Legends. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.